How to change date on Google Sheet. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change date in Google Sheets. So let's get started. First of all, open the sheet and you can select the dates from here and then click on format, and here you'll be able to see an option that says number. So here you can just click on date and the date would be formatted, and you can just go and click on format by selecting the dates, and once you click on format, click on numbers again, and then here at the bottom you'll be able to see an option that says custom date and range. So just click on that. So by default you can see that it's day, month and year, and there are numerous formats that you can choose from. For example, I'm just going to click on this and click on apply, and now you can see that the format has been changed. So you can just go and click on numbers again and then click on custom date and time, and just select any of the format that you wish to integrate within your Google Sheet and then click on apply. Now you can see that this format is the United Kingdom format. Now if you wish to change it to the US format, you can click on file and go down and head over to settings. And now here you can just change locate to United States, and this affects formatting details such as function, dates and currency. Just click on save and reload, and after that you can see that the page has been reloaded, but still the format has not been changed. So you can just select it all once again, or you can just select the number. You can select one date, or you can just select all of them, and once selected you can just click on format and then click on number, and then you can just click on just the date over here that says date. So just click on date, and once it gets loaded you can see that the format has been changed. So that was basically how you can change date in Google Sheets. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.